Hi guys, here we are with day 4, class versus instance. Okay, so objective in this challenge we are going to learn about the difference between a class and an instance. Because this is an object-oriented concept, it's only labeled in certain languages. Check out the tutorial tab for learning materials and instructional video. Alright, so the task can't talk. The task, write a person with an instance variable age, alright, and the constructor that takes an integer initial age as a parameter. The constructor must assign initial age to age after confirming the argument passed as initial age is not negative. If a negative argument is passed as initial age, the constructor should set age to 0 and print age is not valid. Setting age to 0. In addition, you must try the following instance methods. Alright, instance methods. Year passes should increase the age. Instance visible by 1. Am I old should perform the following conditional actions. If age, okay, alright, we'll get back to this. Just to help you learn by example and complete this challenge, much of the code is provided for you, but you will be writing everything in the future. The code that creates each instance of your person class is in the main method. Don't worry if you don't understand it all quite yet. Don't remove or alter the subcode. Input format. Input is handled for you by subcode in the editor. The first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases, and the t subsequent lines each contain an integer denoting the age of a person instance constraints. Alright, let's jump to it. We manage this. Alright, let's get Python 3. Change the theme to dark. This will handle the input, I suppose, yes. So what we need to do is just come here, assign, we'll need to create age to equal, let's go 0, then we're gonna set age equals, first we want to check if initial age, which basically the age would be passed here, okay, since it's in the initialize, okay, the init method, then it's this, when we initialize a new instance of the class, and anything we pass here is basically passed inside the initial or init method. This is a bit heavy object-oriented concept, but I hope I can explain it. So let us continue. So once we initialize the instance of the person class, alright, so just check here if initial age is smaller than 0, then soft age, we're accessing this attribute would equal 0, else self age would equal initial age. Perfect. So now we do some computations in here and print out the correct statement to the console. So for am I old, we will need this. If age is less than 13, print you are young. If it's between 13 and 18, print you are teenage. Otherwise, print you are old. So we need to get those sentences just for reference. So first we'll check if self.age is less than 13. We'll print you are young. Alright. Let's put it here. Else if self.age is bigger than 13 and self.age is less than 18, then we'll print you are teenager. else we'll print okay, how is it written? We need it to be exactly, because it will check. Alright, I just pressed Ctrl S by mistake. Okay, so the year passes, increment the age of the person in here. So self.age equals we can say equals self.age plus 1, or we can just use plus equal 1, which means exactly the same. So if we run the code now, it should work. What? Alright, we need to print this ages now. Let's make sure you're young. Alright, I've got 3, nice. Then you are old, teenager. Then alright, young. Then it should be old and not a teenager. Where is it? Young. 16 should be a teenager. If it's okay, equals. Okay, make sure it's equals. If it's bigger or equals 13, let's just make it here like that, and let us print this over here. Perfect. Let's run the code now. Nice. Okay, this test case passed. Let's submit the code now. Perfecto, awesome. So yep guys, that's it for this day. Day 4, we've solved the class and instance challenge using Python. So yep, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.